Hello, viewers and subscribers. So, I'll be making another video related to the old model airplane home videotape over my dad and his friends, of course, back then, and I'll be doing it over this particular scene, over being able to see these different remote control scale replica airplanes of the World War I era, and including the 1920s and all that stuff. As far as different of the models, like sitting next to each other, for apparently when my dad and his friends were gonna like plan to do some group picture or whatever over these different aircrafts. And for the first plane to talk about, for the one that's of course like smaller, the one that looks quite small compared to that other one. So that quite smaller one there, that's kind of brownish, tannish, whatever you call it, is a scale replica of a 1920s air show biplane called a Curtiss Jenny. And of course, another thing about the real Curtiss Jenny was it also got used for the wing walking and all that stuff. And I'm about to click play on the TV remote to try and get to the next aircraft to talk about. Okay, for the next airplane to talk about, for that really big one there, of course that's a scale replica of the World War I British biplane called the Sopwith Pup. And yes, I have done multiple videos about that Sopwith Pup flying. And yes, for that copy that you see in that footage, yes, that's the exact same copy as from the other flight videos I've been showing you, audiences and spectators. And of course you can see how that Sopwith Pup is just quite a giant monster to that Curtiss Jenny I was talking about. And it's also quite a giant monster to the other last two planes that I'm about to get into.